Yo, what's up guys? So, dumating na yung order namin kay Ginger, no? So,
it's a toy.
yeah. Hindi pa dumating lahat. Ang dumating lang is yung toy ni Ginger, yung pagkain, at saka ano pa kasi yung isa? Toy, pagkain, and I forgot the other one, but it's 3 items. So, yung dalawang item.
3 items.
Yung suklay, yung brush ni Ginger.
Yes.
Kasi kailangan natin siyang i-brush out. Come on, let's take it. Pare.
I give him back shot. Okay, I can show him. Your name is?
Richard.
Okay.
Ayun.
Just inside. Yes. For you. Inside.
Okay.
Okay.
Shukran, my friend. Let's go. Hindi, ito na. Ito, oh.
Yan na lang.
Yeah. Come on. Oh, take it.
A lot of things inside.
Yeah, I think so. So, let's open it.
Maybe this is the toy.
Yeah. This is ito yung food ni Ginger. And a brush. And a toy. So, come on, let's go. They put all together.
All together?
Yeah.
They put all of them?
Yeah. Ubus na kasi yung food ni Ginger, so we need to buy new one.
See you in the house.
Yeah. Come on, let's
And
open it.
here are also toys.
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh!
Yeah! There! Whoa! Ayan yung toys.
Ito yung toy.
Oo. And then, ito yung brush niya. So, susuklayin natin siya dito. And ito yung kanyang food. So, can we try the toy? Tawagin mo si Ginger. That's the toy for Ginger. Huwag masyado mataas. Ito, give me. Yan. Give me.
Oh no.
Yan. Yung toy for Ginger. Ito siya. Ganyan siya. Yan. So that it thinks something like there's a sound in it.
It's like fish. It's like
Yeah.
a fish for him.
And then we will try the brush. Ito yung brush niya. So ganito siya. Kapag tatanggalin mo na yung mga buhok, press mo dito para matanggal. So let's try it. Where's Ginger? Yan mga lods. Show me. Yan mga lods. Ito yung brush ni Ginger. Tignan nyo oh.
Yes.
Kapag kaginan mo, matatanggal yung buhok. So,
Yes.
brush natin si Ginger.
It's meat.
So, ito na yung food ni Ginger. Ubus na kasi yun. So, kailangan natin mag-refill. So, tignan natin kung anong itsura ng isang to. Okay. Ganito siya, no? Para siyang mga chichirya. Did you try it?
What?
Can you try it, Ginger?
Chichirya.
Gusto niya. Gusto niya. Oh. She like it. Ginger likes it. Ang flavor nito ay ang flavor nito mga lods ay chicken and tuna flavor. So, ang maganda dito ay may hairball control, and then chicken and tuna flavor siya.
Then now you'll play.
So, ayan, gustong-gusto ni Ginger yung bago niyang pagkain. Tuna and chicken flavor. So, ayan, puno na naman yung kainan ni Ginger. Ang lakas kasi niyang kumain eh. Ayan, naubos niyo oh, nasimot niyo oh. Yun, gustong-gusto niya. Para kasi siyang mabango siya, at saka yung para siyang chichirya yung itsura niya oh. Pero napaka-healthy. Yun, puno na naman ang food mo, Ginger. Meron pa siyang toy.